Hello class. So today we're going to start off by discussing what are coins. Coins are money. And what do we use coins for? We use them to buy things. And what kind of things can we buy with coins? We can buy lots of things. We can buy things like candy, chips, toys, and so many other things. So I'm going to start off by showing a short clip of a video just to show you how much coins are worth. So here we go.
1 penny is worth 1 cent. 1 nickel's worth 5 a bit. 1 dime has a value of 10. 1 quarter's worth 25 cents.
Okay, and I'm gonna stop it right there. Okay. So today we'll be learning about 4 U.S. coins. We will discuss their characteristics, their value, and the relationship between them. So we're going to start off with a penny. We know that this is a penny because it is brown, small, and it has smooth edges. A penny is worth 1 cent. Next, we have a nickel. We know that this is a nickel because it is silver and it has smooth edges and it is smaller than a quarter but bigger than a dime. And a nickel is worth 5 cents. Next, we have our dime. We know that this is a dime because it is silver, has bumpy edges, and is smaller than a nickel. And a dime is worth 10 cents. And our next coin, we have a quarter. A quarter, we know that this is a quarter because it is silver, has bumpy edges, and is the biggest coin. Okay, so now we're just going to discuss the relationship between them. So, a penny is worth 1 cent, and that's the smallest we can go. So, here we have a nickel. A nickel is worth 5 cents. So, can you tell me how many pennies we would need to equal 5 cents? So, since a penny is 1 cent, let's count together to make 5 cents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we would need 5 pennies to equal a nickel. So next we have our dime that equals 10 cents. How many pennies do we need to equal 10 cents? Well, let's count. How much is our penny worth? 1 cent. So ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We need 10 pennies to equal a dime. So I'm going to place our 10 cents right under our dime. Okay, is there any other coins we can use to equal 10 cents? We have a quarter. Let's see if we can equal 10 cents. So we're going to count by 5s because it is worth 5 cents. So ready? 5, 10. Oh, we can use 10 nickels to equal a dime. So we're going to place 2 dimes right here. Can we use a quarter? No, because it is worth more than a dime. So next we have our quarter, which is worth 25 cents. How many pennies do we need to equal 25 cents? Well, if 1 penny is worth 1 cent, we would need 25 pennies to equal a quarter. Okay, can we use nickels to equal a quarter? yes, we can use, let's count. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So we need 5 nickels to equal a quarter. So we're gonna place these nickels right here. I'm gonna use these two because I ran out. So we need 5 nickels to equal 25 cents. Now, can we use dimes to equal 25 cents? That would equal a quarter? Let's see, 10, 20, 30. We can't do that because 30 is more than 25 cents. So, but we can use 2 dimes, which is 20, right? And so what do we have left over? What do we need to equal 25 cents? We need 5 more cents. So what coin over here can we use to equal that 25 cents? We can use 2 nickels. So we're gonna place, 1 nickel. So we're gonna place the 2 dimes and let's use one of these nickels to make 25 cents. So now we have 25 cents. And we can also use, instead of the nickel, we can also use 5 pennies to equal that 25 cents. And, okay. So the reason why we use different coins is because it makes it easier and faster for us to count. And instead of having 50 pennies in our pocket, we will only have 2 quarters.
Okay guys, good job. So 10 pennies, 10 of these equals 10 cents, and 10 cents is a dime. Okay, so now we're going to look at the quarter. Okay, the quarter is this big one right here. Can everyone see that? Can everyone say quarter? Okay, so we're going to look at the quarter. A quarter is worth how much? A quarter is worth 25 cents, right? Okay, so let's say you go to the store and you want to buy some gum. Okay, let's say this piece of gum is worth 1 quarter. A piece of gum is worth 25 cents. I don't know where you can find gum nowadays for 25 cents, but let's pretend our gum is 25 cents. So we have 25 cents, but let's pretend that the gum is worth 25 cents, but let's pretend that we don't have a quarter. We don't have a quarter to pay with. We have pennies, we have nickels, we have dimes, but we do not have a quarter. What do? What do y'all think we do? How are we going to pay for our gum? We really want this gum. How are we going to pay for it if we don't have a quarter to pay with? We have to pay for this gum somehow. So let's think, how can we come up with 25 cents with pennies, nickels, and dimes? Let's think about it. What do you guys think? Maybe we can add some of these coins together to make 25 cents. So let's see. Let's pretend we had 25 pennies. Let's pretend we had 25 pennies. Is that enough to make 25 cents? Yeah. If we have 25 pennies, it equals 25 cents. So 25 pennies, you could give it to the store clerk and he'll give you the piece of gum because that's 25 cents. What about if you gave him a dime? Would you be able to buy your stick of gum? You wouldn't, because a quarter and a dime, you don't have enough. If you give him a dime, you're only giving him 10 cents. How many cents are you missing? We're missing 15 cents, right? So let's think about this. You have to give him 10 cents. What if we give him another 10 cents? How many cents do we how much money do we give him if we give him 2 dimes? We gave him 20 cents. Okay? But that's still not 25. That's still not 25 cents, but is almost 25. 10 cents and 10 cents together is 20 cents, but we need 25 cents. Is there a coin that equals 5 cents? Because we have 5 cents left that we need to pay him. What coin equals 5 cents? The nickel. A nickel is worth 5 cents. So if you don't have a quarter, you can pay with 25 pennies, or you can pay with 2 dimes and a nickel, which is 10 cents plus 10 cents plus 5 cents. What other ways can we pay? I'm thinking of one more way that we can pay. What if we give him a nickel? What if let's say we have no dimes. We have 0 dimes, okay? We just have nickels. How many nickels can we give the store clerk to equal 25 cents? Let's think about this. If we give him 1 cent, and if we give him 1 nickel, and that's 5 cents. And we gave him 1 nickel, that's 5 cents, and we give him another nickel, that's 10 cents. And we give him another nickel, 5, 10, 15 cents. We give him another nickel, that's 5, 10, 15, 20 cents. How many nickels are we, how much money are we missing to equal 25 cents? We're missing 5 cents, right? So then we'll give him another nickel. I don't have another nickel with me, but we'll give him another nickel, okay? To equal 25 cents. So how many nickels did we give him? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nickels. 5 nickels equals 25 cents. Now these aren't the only ways that you can make 25 cents, but these are just some of the ways. So if you don't have a quarter, you can add up some of your smaller change to equal 25 cents.